guys, these are my 3D printed things. So first we have two on my art table. I have this like cute little pencil holder. And there's this one as well. So there's two. And I love it. Yeah, the 3D printer's in here. One sec. Oh, where should I put it? Okay, I can put it here. So first we have got the broken dragon. So this is a dragon that's lost his tail, his head and his two arms. So he only has two legs now. I know. Here's his head. Yeah, sad days for him. We have a crab, a cute little crab. We have this tiny reindeer, it's so tiny. And we didn't print it though. Then here's this another dragon, but his arm fell off, one arm. And then I have this. It's really cool. It goes like this. I absolutely love that. Then here's a failed one. Here's they're different colours, but his eyes fell off. Well, his head didn't print properly. There's this octopus. I love it. It can sit on my head. Oh no, ouch. Hopefully it doesn't fall. I have this. Ah! It's like it's on the floor. Then there's this really cool thing. It sounds so good. So good. And then we have this little candle guy. He's a bronze colour. And then we have this really good train. I actually love it, but the back went a bit wrong, if you can see. Yeah. And then we have this H for Honor. Yeah, that's my own name. Here's a cat. So freaking cute. And then here's a bigger cat. And then here's a big frog. Oh my god, hello? The frog? Wait, this is so loud. Oh my gosh, that was loud for me. I feel bad for you guys. Oh, sorry. I have this little candle guy as well. Different colours. Different colours. And then we have this cute axolotl. Axolotl articulated. Then I have this sparrow cone as well. Sounds so nice. I have two of these spiral cones actually. Now let's do the failed crab. Here's the failed crab. Then I printed off these 3 honeycombs. They're really one fell. They're actually really fun to play with. Here's another frog. My dad's obsessed with frogs. He prints out loads. There's 2 boats. I love them. Then we didn't print out this, but a turtle, keychain, then a mini frog. Hope you like them. Bye, lovelies. Wait. Sorry. Then there's this, the big one. So big. Now, bye, guys.